ordinary users began to prefer clamshell foldable phones over horizontal ones. For many individuals, it's wonderful to have the option to fold a standard phone in half without giving up its large display. And for the same reason, Oppo just unveiled the Oppo Find N2 Flip, the company's first flip foldable phone. In addition to being the brand's first flip phone, it will also be the first Oppo foldable phone to be released on a global scale in the beginning of 2023. This product will only have one significant opponent once it enters the global market: the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. Which one of these gadgets is best? After watching this comparison of the major features of the Oppo Find N2 Flip and the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, you will learn about it. These two phones have absolutely stunning designs and forms. They are constructed from high-quality materials, including aluminum for the frame and glass for the back. They appear to be regular phones with a secondary display when they are unfolded, but when you fold them, you'll see that they can truly fold in half and get quite small. They are the greatest phones to operate with one hand and to put in a pocket because of this. I really favor the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 above the other two designs since it is slimmer and has a unique bespoke color option that I consider to be very original. Additionally, it has the only IPX8 certification among the pair's waterproof folding phones. Not to mention, it boasts a hardened aluminum frame that is scratch and drop resistant. These two phones are extremely similar when it comes to their inbuilt foldable displays. The inbuilt AMOLED display on the Oppo Find N2 Flip has a diagonal measurement of 6.8 inches, a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and HDR10 Plus certification. You actually get a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 that has a comparable Full HD Plus resolution, the same 120 Hz refresh rate, and the same HDR10 Plus certification. Additionally, it has the only IPX8 certification among the pair's waterproof folding phones. Not to mention, it boasts a hardened aluminum frame that is scratch and drop resistant. These two phones are extremely similar when it comes to their inbuilt foldable displays. The inbuilt AMOLED display on the Oppo Find N2 Flip has a diagonal measurement of 6.8 inches, a Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2520 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and HDR10 Plus certification. You actually get a 6.7-inch AMOLED screen with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 that has a comparable Full HD Plus resolution, the same 120 Hz refresh rate, and the same HDR10 Plus certification. Since the Oppo phone can reach 1600 nits as opposed to 1200 nits, it has a higher peak brightness. However, the Oppo Find N2 Flip's external display, which is broader and more vertical and has a diagonal measurement of 3.26 inches instead of merely 1.9 inches and a resolution of 382 by 720 pixels, is its most significant benefit. You can view more alerts and take better selfies with the rear camera thanks to this. The Oppo Find N2 Flip's hardware sector is superior to that of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 in every way. The Dimensity 9000 Plus processor, which features an octa-core architecture with 4 Cortex-A510 CPUs operating at 1.8 GHz, 3 Cortex-A710 CPUs operating at 3.2 GHz, and a Cortex-X2 CPU operating at 3.2 GHz, as well as a Mali G710MC10 GPU, powers the device. The chipset is accompanied by up to 256 GB of native UFS 3.1 storage and up to 16 GB of RAM. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU is featured in the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, but only 8 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage are included. RAM hence makes a difference. Also take note that the Samsung arrives with Android 12, whereas the Oppo Find N2 Flip ships with Android 13. The Oppo Find N2 Flip's camera hardware appears to be more reliable. The main sensor is a better Sony IMX890 with a 50 megapixels resolution, but it lacks optical image stabilization compared to the Samsung's outdated 12 megapixels camera, which has optical image stabilization. Due to a larger 4300 mAh battery, the Oppo Find N2 Flip triumphs in the battery comparison. It also charges more quickly, thanks to 44-watt fast charging, however it lacks wireless charging, unlike the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 starts at the same price as the Oppo Find N2 Flip, which is currently only available in China and has not yet been released internationally. The comparison is won by the Oppo Find N2 Flip. What do you think about this comparison? Write your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching, have a nice day and see you soon.